Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see if we can get on these charts this morning. Do a little live trading. We're looking at gold. Let's open up our trading platform and get to work. Let's open up the trading account. Make sure we are ready to go. Looking at, I'm going to start out with gold this morning and see what gold has for us. Okay. Close this out. All right, let's start with a quick analyzing of gold this beautiful morning. So gold is stuck. We are stuck right here in this little mini consolidation area right here, waiting for this to like break but go bullish or break down and go back bearish. Today is an easy analysis because gold has been stuck in this little area here, so there's not much to go over. I don't know why we're stuck here though. We moved pretty clean the last time we were inside this area, so I'm a little confused as to why we are holding this area here, but we will figure it out. Let's look at here. This is a big range that it's in. I don't even know if I want to wait for it to clear this entire range. Oh my goodness. I don't know about that. So it needs to break this area here. Let's see. This is a really big range, but so there's always structure within structure, right? So something like that is what I'd like to see for price to come back up inside this area right here, right around this area here, kind of retesting this. So this bounce here just could be just taking a breather before it actually pushes to go up. Because we have price acting as resistance here, and now it's acting as a support. This should have moved last night. I don't know why it didn't. This was London session, so London around, when did this push start? Around 1 in the morning. It started pushing up, and then it started consolidating. So yeah, we really need this high and this low to break. I look for a break above to take the buys above that area. If not, we'll see if price can reject and give us an opportunity to take the continuation on down. If we continue down, which I don't think is going to happen, I think we're going to continue pushing bullish and this is going to fly. That's what I think is going to happen today. Okay, so our alert just went off. Price is breaking up here. So let's see if price can make a, oh, here we go. Here we go. There's the push that we need. What time is it? 8:39. Let me take one position here and make sure this ain't no fluke and it's not going to reject. I think it's still going to push. We still have, oh, this candle's about to close here. This candle is about to close. So there's a low right there. And let's see if we can get a push. Let's see. So, yeah, one position running. Take another buy. All right, there we go. Yeah, see if this can push. Let's go. This has been an amazing month. So let's go. Come on. We have nice volume coming in the market right now, and we can push up to at least reach these highs right here. At least these highs. I'd like to see something like that. Let's go. I'm not going to hold to full TP. I'm just going to take what the market gives me. But let's see if we can grab a nice move here on this wonderful Thursday. Keep an eye on the trade here. As you guys know, I trade with mental stops. So I just have to keep an eye on my trade. So what I want to see is, this is the 1 minute. So it's the 1 minute move. So what I want to see is closure above this area. I want to see the market. It gave me already a strong closure, but we have this area right here where we see prices trying to like retest. So if this can reject and close above itself, and then next candle pushes above it, then we should, you know, get that continuation that we're looking for. So that's what I'm looking for right now. This 1 minute candle, very strong drop here, very strong. I thought we were going to reject and then come back up, but it dropped below this area. So now I want to see this get broken here, which is very close to our entry. So, but if this area right here gets broken, for sure I'm getting out. I'm getting out for sure, because that means we're right back in the range, which we're kind of still in a way. I think I got in a little bit too early, just a little bit, because we rejected right at these highs, but it was pushing pretty hard. So I'm going to hold this move and let it play out, and we're going to see where we are right now. Ooh, 7,000 drawdown. Ugly entry, ugly entry. So let's see if we can make it back. All right, and let this play out, and we'll come back and see where we are. If I close the trade at a loss, I will come back and show you guys that. But if it goes into profit, show you guys that. Let's go. Okay, so we are pushing. We're finally pushing, and we are back in profit on this position. Price is moving up. A little bit of volume coming in here, which is good. I'm gonna wait for it to actually at least try to hit at least these highs here. If we can hit those highs right around this area here, I'll be more than happy with this trade. I don't know if I want to let it hit full TP. We'll see. Maybe I'll let one position run. For now, I'm okay with just taking what the market gives me, you know. But for now, we're gonna ride out with gold. Gold has been hitting. Gold gave me my best week in a long time. Gold gave me a six-figure week, and we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going, pushing limits, pushing new levels, pushing comfort zone, pushing mental challenges, just pushing yourself is what it's about. Constantly pushing yourself, constantly elevating your skills, and not underestimating your ability. You know, 7-8 years in the game. It's just pure blessings. Pure blessings. There's nothing that I could take for granted ever. And that's what the second part of the video is going to be about. Once I close out on these trades, I will go ahead and we'll talk about very important topic that I want to talk about with you guys later today. So let me let this trade finish so I can focus on what I'm saying once it's over, because obviously when I'm in a trade, I got to be focused in my trade. I can't be, you know, back and forth. So let me finish with this trade, and then we'll get into the second part of this video. All right, so once we hit TP, we'll come on back and wrap up this live trade. Okay, so I'm about to take profit because we've been holding this area for a little bit now. I'm trying to be patient with it, but this is like my TP right here. Full TP is up here, but it keeps on like struggling. I don't know why. I've been waiting forever for it to break, and it's not breaking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take profit there, because I don't know why it's struggling. So basically take profit right around there. So we're a couple points away, but whatever. But that's the trade. All right, so analysis, quick and easy. What was this? 1 to 2 1 to 2 position. Trade, life of a scalper. Okay, so hope you guys learned a lot from this part of the video. Let's hop on over to the second part of the video, where I'm going to drop some gems for you guys. So listen closely to what I'm about to talk to you guys about now. All right,